Hey pals, today I'm gonna be at McClintock High School. I'm gonna be rapping to people, telling them why I'm the greatest.
Yeah, I'm the most underrated. Everybody say they spitting fire like a dragon, nigga, watch me come and slam. Coming from the basement, double XL, man, I want the cover, there's no way that I'm not in the conversation. I don't have no patience unless it's patience for playing operation. I'm castrating anybody that's hating. I ain't trying to be famous, I'm just trying to make payments from what I'm making. I'm frustrated, about to go Super Saiyan. And I'm causing mayhem when I rap, I got a coffin in the back. And if you talking in the coffins, where you at? I'm sick, I be coughing on the track. I'm exhausted from the raps, I'm trying to kick it with the broad that's on the map. Shit, make her squirt like the oldest and a dolphin on his back. I gotta be cautious in the trap. And I've been to Boston, been to Austin, been to Compton, and been back where I'm at. It sounded like an auction when I snap. Snap back in the backpack, jean vest with a fat patch. WTF gang hashtag. I guess I smoke, nigga, past that. Taking shots, truck, nigga, Aflac. Cash stacks, no cash stacks, never paying to smash that. Hit the ass fat, then I treat it like a cop. I be all in it, might take her on a trip, but before I drop it off, I gotta wax that. Finders is keepers, I'm all in they speakers, the word getting out. That boy futuristic been spitting like he chew tobacco all up in his mouth. I don't need a deal, got a whip and a chain, and no, I'm not a slave in the South. I got a crib in LA and a crib in AZ. The way I be putting shit down, I'm the motherfucking greatest. I feel like Muhammad Ali. Down goes Frazier, I'm the motherfucking greatest. I feel like Jordan in his prime, I feel like Magic Johnson 1980 Lakers. I'm the motherfucking greatest. Rap game Tony Hawk, hopping on the road like a skater. I'm the motherfucking greatest. Used to be a legend in the making, now I'm feeling like the greatest. I've been snapping like a turtle, dressed like a Merkle. They concerned about me going too commercial, killing shows without rehearsal. If I'm before you watch the dispersal, they committed to my lyrics, that's a verbal. Copying everything that I do, but you paternal. Pissing on them like a urinal, I've been popping like a kernel. I cut everyone out the circle, the only one that's in it like a gerbil. You spoiled niggas is looking kinda curdle. Sheesh. Crafted a style, these young rappers is jocking it. Made a brand, everything I wear, they be rocking it. Only difference is I ain't copping it, I ain't watching it, I'm rocking it. Then throw it in the mosh pit and watch it get crazy. They be boxing and trying to knock them, acknowledge it. These rappers is garbage, they all lacking in confidence. Fish up for compliments, futuristic, predicted dominance. Since I was 6 and I was still out spitting to college kids. Fuck boy, you a bitch, nigga. Leave your face Will Smith off a hitch, nigga. Couldn't resist the right of this, but when you saw all of my hits, you threw a fit, ain't even put it out. That don't make sense, nigga. I make dollars, you make sense, nigga. Get ate like chips and fish sticks, your bitch. That's Kendrick, hit your bitch like Chris did. Coming at my neck, you gon' get removed like a sis, nigga. Yeah, I don't got time for no bullshit. I'm working and doing my thing. If a nigga got beef and decide he should speak, then I finish his ass like Luke Kane. There really ain't shit you could say when you ain't getting paid in your lane. I am a creative player. I put myself in the game. I'm the motherfucking greatest. I feel like Muhammad Ali. Down goes Frazier, I'm the motherfucking greatest. I feel like Jordan in his prime, I feel like Magic Johnson 1980 Lakers. I'm the motherfucking greatest. Rap game Tony Hawk, hopping on the road like a skater. I'm the motherfucking greatest. Used to be a legend in the making, now I'm feeling like the greatest. I've been working hard, long days and cold nights. I've been traveling, I've been up on them flights. I've been writing flows, dedicated my life. Lost that love I had, now I'm feeling alright. When my grandma passed, I was up on the stage. I said goodbye, then I lost my way. Been through it all just to get me here and I'm staying. I was a legend in the making, now I'm feeling like the greatest. Now I'm feeling like the greatest. Now I'm feeling like the greatest. Feeling like the greatest. I got it, anybody thinking different, gonna get it. Futuristic, be that nigga killing every single city, grabbing titties, even if they itty bitty, leaving niggas shitty, drinking. Think I need another kidney. If you with me, say hell yeah. Say okay. I'm out here. Is you? No way.
Hey pals, today I'm at ASU and I'm gonna be showing people why it's too easy to rap.
Blessed like I sneeze. All these little beauties have sex with the beast. I'm the best in the east and I'm living on the west coast. Fuck niggas all gonna be resting in peace. I suggest that you leave if you hating, cause I'm destined to be nothing less than a king. Mufasa on these bitch ass niggas, get rich fast. Pockets need slim fast, I can make mesh out your teeth. Put holes in it, get it, I'm on a roll with it. Counting paper like a scroll with it. Collecting money like a toe, green thumb like a troll flow. Cold North Pole with it. My clothes so vintage, I make hits like a tennis match. Fucking bitches, only time I ever finish last. In my shows, everybody put their hands up like a smart kid in chemistry class. Goddamn, it's too easy. I ain't stopping, no other option presented. Authentic with all these writtens, though really this shit is simple. Too easy. I'ma go on tour, every show is doing numbers, cause futuristic is popping like a pimp. Too easy. I'ma take the girl with all them curves who got the smile on her face, accented with the pimp. Too easy. Shout out to my ex-girl and that new dude making love to you, all gentle. Too easy. I know that you don't like that. Hit me up, I never write back. Put my words on the right track, talk behind my back, then one dap, I'll leave you hanging like a fucking tire on a bike rack. And I'm never getting sidetracked on the right path like I'm climbing up a hill. I ain't never falling off with this rap shit. Meanwhile, you looking like Jack in jail. Sheesh. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy.
It's way too easy.
This shit is too easy. I make it look easy.
It's way too easy.
This shit is too easy. I make it look easy.
It's way too easy.
This shit is too easy. I make it look easy. Yeah.
Easy like easy bake ovens. I'm the real thing, you easy E cousin. Easy does it, moving up like Weezy, spit like Weezy, act like Easy. He love himself. I'm a G, this easy, no pun intended. Futuristic speak so disgusting. VCs on enemies that be coming at me. I treat the beat like we fucking beat it up, make it scream till it's coming. You beefing, you feeding me in my stomach, leaning weed for me, my team and my woman. Drink this pizza, Rocco G's till I shit in your steeds. It's sweeter than Reese Pieces. Leave them all in pieces. Peace, I leave a piece of me when I speak. So these fees will keep coming. I got cheese, Mickey D's, just please, cause he love it. Decipher that. They don't really wanna cypher Zach. I don't really wanna murder everybody that's been talking. Ain't nobody got time for that. Nah. Childish flows, they compare us, but I'm already grown, and they already know. Futuristic did it all on his own. If you talking to me, you better be watching your tone, nigga. Money talk, so I talk to my phone. Don't call me if you talking alone. If I had a mirror, I'd be watching my throne. Holy shit, I think I just got my zone. Shit scary, right? I told him I was gonna do it, so believe me, only time you'll ever see me is if you watching the TV or if you buying a ticket to my motherfucking meet and greet. I swear this shit is too easy.
This shit is too easy. I make it look easy.
It's way too easy.
This shit is too easy. I make it look easy.
It's way too easy.
This shit is too easy. I make it look easy.
It's way too easy.
This shit is too easy. I make it look easy, nigga.